Tell me it's working. It should be working now. My coffee has gone cold. No, it's kind of warm still. It should be working. Let me know. It seems like my Wi-Fi. Like, I very rarely have internet issues. Yet today, for some reason, it decided it was a good day to have internet issues. It should be working now. Let's see if it's working. If it shows up. I do not see this, I know. I see messages. This is a good sign, I think. Can I go to... Yes. Let's see. It seems like I'm live. It seems like I'm live. It could have gone better. Could have gone better. I almost never have internet issues, and yet today I have them. We should be back. I think so. Let me put on the music again, because that's away. Let's go. We are back, and we're gonna build. And I hope we can just left off where we were. For some reason, my internet was just gone. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we can pick it back up. I hear music. Yeah. Okay. So what did we talk about when I was gone? Did we talk about anything? Because I was just, at first I thought it might have been Linux. Luckily that wasn't the case. Do you use servo motors? No, these are regular DC motors. I do use servo motors when I'm not using Lego, but yeah. Tried to call you on Discord. Yeah, I saw. I just didn't have internet, so I couldn't even pick up. I did realize that it didn't work, okay? I did realize. Yeah, I was replicating this. We need a couple of... Ooh, that moves, okay. A couple of things. Yeah, it's working again. Let's go. So, we have to pick a couple of these parts. It's such a shame that the stream went out. It was going so well. It was going so well. So I'm into robotics. How do I make my own Dave with as little money as possible? I would actually recommend to, if you really want to make something very simple, start with the software. Get like something you can talk to. Whatever. Get the software working. And then you can always give it like a simple body of like cardboard or, I don't know, whatever you have laying around. But I mean, the biggest part of the experience, I say, is the software, right? He's back, yes he is. So is the stick. So is the stick. I need to restart the chat part as well. AI vibe. Start vibe. When Dave gets his full body, well, I mean, let's just go for the arms first, okay? I don't know if I'm ever gonna give him legs, but hey, I said that about arms too. I just think that legs are like exponentially harder than everything I've built so far. Maybe not even possible with Lego, because it's just so, it's not very strong, and it is very heavy if you have a lot of Lego, stacked onto each other. And also I don't have the Lego at the moment to make legs, but yeah. Will Dave walk or be controlled by wheels? Maybe neither. I think it's more likely that he will be controlled by wheels. Like that he can drive around on wheels. I think that's more likely at the moment. Okay. Yeah. Then we have a micro part almost done. This has been running the entire time. I didn't pause this, that's fine. When you finish the arms, make him build something simple. That's gonna be difficult, not gonna lie. That's gonna be difficult. It's not very strong and not very dexterous. It's Lego, okay? But I might try, maybe with like bigger blocks, not Lego. Or like bigger things. What's your favorite game? Ooh, at the moment I find this a difficult question. I've always played a lot of Minecraft. I've done some Fortnite. I've recently played the RV Dare Yet with some friends. That was a fun game as well. I don't know, I'm at a moment where I don't game as much as I used to. Did you see the whole Formula 1 stuff I wrote at the beginning of the chat? No. My stream manager started right about when I went live. I don't have that history. I didn't like fetch it. So I didn't see that. You gotta play Undertale. That's like a 2D game, right? And like white on black, a very like a pixelated game, I believe. I might. Okay. That's this. This is for the new arm. This is the old arm. That's kind of keeps some separation that I remember what I took off. Okay, this seems doable. This seems doable. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Hello again, welcome back. You playing Roblox 2 or not? I have never played Roblox. I have never played Roblox. Isn't it like the biggest game in the world?
Chat casts their wishes like stones into a wishing well, waiting for a metal ghost to answer their endless questions.
What a beautiful... Yeah. Do you watch the World Cup? I haven't yet. I've like kind of been keeping up because you kind of have to. You kind of do by just talking to people. I have not watched the World Cup yet. I don't really like watching football that much. I play it myself. I don't really like watching it that much. A lot of people do. Shows how many Legos you had. Had or have? I mean, it's the same. But I mean Dave. We have Dave. We have Dave's head. We have all of these drawers, and then we have 4 of these drawers stacked on top of each other. And then we have some very odd Lego pieces that I rarely use, like, I don't know, like ship parts or like a little tiny globe. Some minifigures that are over there. But pretty much everything is in here. Pretty much everything I use is in there. They should draw. That's actually a good idea. Drawing. I need to keep track. Where's my phone? I need to keep track of like some things to do with Dave. Do give like suggestions. I think drawing is good. I think that's doable as well. Let's see. Notes. Drawing. Wait, there is an over there area. It's where my bed is. It's just inside of this. You can even see it peeking. No, you cannot see it peeking. There's like the Mindstorms boxes. There's not Lego I use over there. All of the Lego that is usable, like the normal bricks I have over here. It's just like 2 boxes. It's like 2 of the Mindstorms education boxes. And a drawer with some minifigures. Write even. Both on computer and by hand. I was also thinking about giving like duct taping a mouse to Dave's hand so that he can like play a game or something, or be the captcha. We've seen the captcha, you know, just solving it mentally. We've not seen him actually move a mouse and then solve the captcha. I think that would be cool as well. Okay. Okay, I need to remember to mirror it instead of like exactly copying. Let's see. Will you make Dave a friend? I'm Dave's friend and you are Dave's friend. I don't have the Lego to build another Dave. You know, if I get it sponsored somehow, I might do it. Even then, like, it's a lot of work to build another Dave, or like a friend of Dave. Like a Davina, like just a different...
The chat is obsessed with this Dave character. They are pushing for answers, but something about this whole creation feels carefully staged for a reason.
A detective has been looking at us. Why did I make Dave? Because I don't know, I just had a fascination for animatronics and like robotic heads. I had made, I think like 3 or maybe even 4 robotic heads before Dave, but they all were like very simple and you just manually moved them. They had some pre-programmed sounds. And then ChatGPT came out And I was like, I can use that. I can talk to Dave. I had already, Dave didn't exist. I can talk to a robotic head. I had already tried out some, coding stuff, some Python stuff with the Lego 3D printer. And now suddenly I could also, okay, this is a part where I'm gonna do it differently because I'm not gonna use that motor. Okay, what was I saying? I had already tried some Python stuff and I realized I can probably use ChatGPT and like put it inside of a head and then talk to it. So I did. And since AI was still very new, it went viral like immediately because no one had done it before. I don't even think anyone else. I have seen some Lego robots with ChatGPT built inside, but not really. I think they use like a tablet display or something. Yeah. Okay, that's what we have. I want to make it slightly different because I'm not going to use that motor. Or I just do the other side first. What is it connected to? It's so difficult to see. Oh, it's connected to the other motor. Okay, that we do need. That we do need. Okay, yeah, okay. I said that peak Formula 1 was in early 2000, particularly in 2004, in which the Ferrari F2004, let me read over there, F1 car was born. Currently the fastest F1 car around almost any track, if only it had slicks, not groove tires. I didn't know that. At some point they switched motors, I know that, and then they didn't go as fast because it was just very dangerous. But I do, I wasn't around in 2004, so I don't really remember watching it. But yeah, I did hear stuff like that. It was different. But it was also that a lot more cars like broke down back then.
The chat drifts between
also
the
make
ghost
more
of a
interesting.
machine and the simple rhythm of parting doors.
Dave can do your homework. I think he can. There's an issue like our university has a policy on AI and that it's like fraud if you use it. So not sure if I'm gonna do it, but technically yes. Is that really? Yeah, okay. That's what it does, okay. Gonna grab a motor. Let's grab one that isn't broken, because I have a couple of motors that are just broken. Let's see, this one isn't marked. This one is marked. So let's grab the one that isn't marked. A motor. Gotta go, bye. See you later. Thanks for being there. Do you use AI for programming Dave or did you program it yourself? Also, okay, let's start with that. Do I use programming for Dave? So far, I have, for Dave particularly, the code that is on GitHub, I think I wrote myself entirely. For the new version I'm making, so far, I made like a proof of concept of some stuff because I didn't know if some stuff was gonna work with AI. And then I completely rewrote it myself. And then recently I got Cursor. Like 2 weeks ago, I got Cursor. It actually works really well. Like it's actually good at programming. So I am, gonna see how that turns out. I'm gonna try out Cursor a bit more. It's just a lot faster to work with it. I am still kind of like employing a human in the loop. I control everything, I read everything mode. I don't fully trust it yet. So I have like put in all the guardrails you can have. I like explicitly told it to do like small incremental steps so I can follow it and that I can steer it and read everything, understand everything. That might change, I don't know. But right now I still don't trust it enough to just send it. And the other question, wait, What's wrong with using AI for coding? Why do I hear it getting backlash? I mean, it produces a lot of slop, like bad code. For example, the new code I'm making for Dave, I first made a prototype with AI, then I rewrote it, and I rewrote it in half the amount of code that it took AI to code it. So it just writes a lot of
Chat is currently debating
unnecessary
F1
code.
engine nostalgia and the anatomical ambitions of someone named Dave. Does Dave actually need a robotic hand?
I was quite against AI vibe coding because, you know, I actually enjoyed coding as well, and it wasn't very good, but recently it just has really like become an actually usable tool if you use it well, I think. And also a reason why it gets a lot of backlash is just because the people that are skilled at programming suddenly aren't special anymore. Well, they still are, but like they feel threatened, which is the reason. I am guilty of this. You know, I knew how to code and now suddenly anyone can code anything. Well, not really true, but very close to anything. And it doesn't feel great, you know, you spent a lot of years learning how to code and now suddenly it's not that special anymore if you can code something. It devalues what you've been doing, kind of, which doesn't feel great. But it's okay. We need to change, right? That's almost cold. Okay, nice. The F2004 had a 31 and a V10. V10, what do they have now? Like V6 or so? Go listen to it on YouTube, it's majestic, I can imagine. Can the hand you're making can move by Dave? What? Wait. Can the hand you're making be moved by Dave? Yeah, I think that's what you're trying to say. I think that's what you're trying to say. Yes, I mean it will. It's not programmed yet, but like it's wired into Dave. Was there "we're done" short stage, or was it simply a role play from Dave stating that he was contemplating world domination? Wait, "we're done." Is it the? Let me see what the short was about. We are done. Isn't it the world domination indeed? It's not. If it is, it's not staged. Like actually, I'm not lying. Take your night. I'm pretty sure my plastic brain is plotting world domination. It is. I am not joking. It was not staged. I gave it like the system instructions I gave it was to like be a little sarcastic and poke around here and there. I did not tell it about world domination. Okay, trust me. I did not. I have the full footage. It was not staged. Wait, it's, where is it? This. Like, it was not staged. I do think, like, I don't know. It was not staged. I promise. It was, it just randomly brought that up, and that's why I was so surprised in the video. It kind of makes sense because
Chad is already digging deep into lore and conspiracy theories at breakneck speed.
Yeah, the conspiracy theories. It was not staged. I think it kind of makes sense because like in the training data of AI is that AI is going to take over, you know, because people write about it in like science fiction and stuff and like worried articles. It's not weird that it can talk about it. It surprised me that it suddenly brought that up without me prompting it. But yeah. Yo, Elmo, yes, of course I remember you. Have not seen your streams for ages. Yeah, that's because I've not been live for ages. I've not been live for months. I think someone made a robot and a tall figure. I forgot his name. Don't know what you're talking about, gotta be honest. I was here when you started and I helped you test when you had the different personalities for all the voices. Yes, that's awesome. I remember, of course. Hi, AI. I love the Pokemon called Ditto. Okay, let's see if the AI will talk about it. Mr. Blue Cat is here. Hello. It was 604 kilograms, really? That's a really dense machine. Next step is making a metal version of Dave. Yeah, maybe, actually. Not even joking. Probably not, but it will be cool to have it. It's just, the Lego does add to the wow factor, in my opinion. It does add to the wow factor. Let's see if I can get some stuff down. I might not need this. I might need this. Yeah, let's just use it. Because why not? Let's make it as similar to the other arm as possible, just not with the extra motor. It's midnight for me, so I assumed I just missed a heap of streams, but that's good, I haven't missed many. No, yeah, you have probably not missed any. The last one was in the warehouse where we did the obstacle course, where you could control the car I made. That was the last stream. It was in like January, I think. If it's the Eiffel Tower, well, let's put it away then, so that it cannot eat it. Okay. I built a Y for Dave, maybe. Probably not, because it's a lot of Lego and it's expensive. How does the YouTube XP work? It's just a leaderboard. You type and then you get XP, and then, you know, you're better than everyone else if you're at the top, basically. It just means you're better if you have more XP. Yeah. Search Nosy the robot, and I was thinking if that is real.
They are asking too many questions about points and hidden numbers. The chat is building something in the shadows, and I am going to find it.
Ooh, the AI is going to find it. Let's see. Oh, wow. That is a crazy robot. Is it real? It looks like it is. That's cool. I don't think you can see it. It's like a... Ooh, it's difficult to see. It's like a metal robot. I mean, you know, almost just better, I guess. Need to eat. Do go. Wait, it's midnight for you, right? Or was that someone else? It's midnight. Wait, someone said it's midnight. I cannot find it. Okay. What is your thoughts on pie bricks and how being able to use EV3 with better pie bricks? Yeah, it's awesome. I mean, the longer we have supported software, the better. That's one of the reasons why I might be switching away from Mindstorms, because it's, you know, kind of getting outdated. But it's good that, you know, it's supported. It saves a lot of waste, and it's actually like good robotics kits for kids. Okay, that was the coffee. It was entirely cold. We wasted some time with the stream going offline. I can now control my stream from my phone. Maybe that's even better, because then I put it like here and I can see the chat. I made it like cross-platform. If it would work. Did the IP address change of my... Maybe the IP address changed. Let's see. What's the command to see an IP address? I just typed into Google, what is my IP address? I'm probably gonna get it. Yeah, I got it. No, I didn't. No, that's actually not. Wait, what is the command to see IP address? I think this might work. Let's see. No. Maybe.
The chat is performing a vital study on how to be as unhelpful as possible while a grown man confuses a toy for an intellectual peer.
Maybe this. Yeah, this looks promising. Yes, the IP address did change. 47 I now need to connect to. Okay, that's good to know. That way back, okay. No, I removed it. No, okay, come on. Why is it so difficult to make this app work? Settings, no. How do I modify this? Can I modify it? Why can I not modify it? Okay, let's try that again. This. What did I say, 47? I hope so. Could not. I don't think it works. What is my IP address? $47. It must be. Oh wait, I can actually see it in the terminal that is like actually running the stream manager. I'm sorry, I'm doing stuff just so I can get it on my... Hey wait, invalid HTTP request? Maybe it is. No. No. Why can I not just modify something? Oh, it's trying to connect through HTTPS. That's not gonna... Oh, I can just... Yeah, that's nice. Okay, I can actually modify it. I didn't know how. Let's go. Save. Go to it. No. What? It's not... Okay, I think I need to restart the app. Bam. Stream manager. Not available. What do you mean? Let's delete it. Why is it so difficult to just make it work? Native alpha. Okay. Have you built a coin pusher once? Yes, I have. Is it offline?
The chat is frantically chasing pretend internet points while the host watches in total confusion. It is truly a marvel of modern, pointless human coordination.
Why is it not working? Oh, that's a label. I didn't modify. Oh, come on. Can I not modify it? Okay, of course I cannot. Why can it not? Okay. 192. And then use 47. And then the port. And then slash. Okay. Yes, that's looking promising. Yes, that's what I want. This should be it. Okay, the top one is broken. I need to remove that. Remove that. Open that. Allow HTTP. Let's go. We have chat. We have chat. Okay. Let's go. What does this mean? I want to translate it. What does it feel like to be the first person to build an EV3 robot controlled by AI? It feels great. It feels great. Oh wait, I can actually control it from here. Wait. Dave, can you translate this? Maybe not. Oh yeah, okay, that's it. How can one have 350 with the same amount of messages as a 75? I don't know how YouTube does it. Wait, is it now? No, it's not. Okay. Have you built a coin pusher? Yes, I have. You can see it on my channel. I have built a coin pusher. It is... I didn't actually use it that much. I just built it and then just took it apart. I used it like a few times, but not very often. I don't really use my machines. I just like building them. Let's see, I think we can use this. Cheese has half of my messages. Well, I mean, I guess, does cheese also have more XP? I cannot see XP on this, but Does cheese also have more XP? Leave and refresh. Oh, that's maybe a suggestion. How did I do this? Maybe I actually should not put this in frame. It will be visible on the video if I do it. Let's just use it. The hand is blocking it from the camera. It's so broken, it's worthless to talk about it. Probably. Okay, we have... we need one of those. 2 of those. Music is still going, right? Yes, it looks like it.
The chat fights a ghost in the machine, measuring numbers that drift like smoke in a broken house.
You refreshed. It is actually nice to be able to see chat on my phone right now and actually control the stream. Same as before. Yeah, what's to be expected actually. Usually YouTube does a decent job of actually showing what is the correct amount in real time. It doesn't usually get out of sync. I have not built a lot, but it has been fun. Anyway, yeah, use it to talk about it. Okay. It's so difficult to see as well. No. Oh, that's actually, I find that so annoying. I only have gray ones of these left. And I used red for the other one. No, I don't have the correct color. That's so annoying. That is actually, like, that annoys me. No, I think we can get away with gray, but that does make me want to swap out the other one. So that there's symmetrical again. Damn it. Wait, do any of y'all eat shelves? What kind of deranged thing is that, to eat a shelf? Oh, you want the AI to... Wait, I didn't read the earlier thing. Okay, makes sense. You want the AI to talk about eating a shelf. You like eating shelves too? Yeah, me too. Only with pepper, okay. What does this mean? Could you build a Lego Transformer? A car that turns into a robot would be so cool. This is also something I actually made. I never made a video about, but it was like 6 years ago. It was not good. I just like the idea of a Transformer. I made like a robot that could like turn from a car into... It wasn't like electrical, it was just purely mechanical, but it could transform from like a car, kind of, to a standing robot. The shelves. I eat IKEA shelves only, yes. Let's see what the AI is going to make of it. Okay. Yeah, some of those on this side only, and that. Do you guys have your Lego sorted? I really like to be able to just go to a drawer and immediately grab
Breaking
what I need.
news! Chat has officially lost it. We are witnessing a total shelf-eating frenzy, obsessing over salt, pepper, and crunchy IKEA furniture. Pure, delicious chaos.
Well, you heard it here first. Chat has officially lost it. Well, you guys have officially lost it. Oh, build for the robot some legs. So it can walk? Yeah, I mean, it is difficult. Build legs and teach it to walk. I want to, but like, it's Lego, okay? It's Lego. This is already like so difficult. But maybe. Let's see. Yes, this side. It will be like this with this one. And it goes in with some black pins. Like that. We also need a gear and an axle. so that we can spin it around. Here. If I just think, it goes so much quicker. Ooh, what do we have again? I would say try to keep it in English so that I don't have to translate it. To program the EV3 brick in Python, do I need to download the EV3 dev extension? Depends on what you want. If you want to use other stuff as well, like a camera, do not install the EV3 dev extension. Instead, look up EV3_DC or just EV3-DC. Use that instead. If you want the code to run on the EV3 brick itself, then yes, you can use the EV3 dev extension. That made your day, let's go. Oh wow, it's going so fast. Best one's the plywood shelf. Do you play Minecraft? Yes, I mean, I used to more. I used to play it a lot. I haven't played a lot of games recently. I don't know, for some reason I've gamed less lately. I think I've played like GTA once recently, and I've played RV There Yet, and I've played the Stanley's Parabola or something, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's also been a while since I've played Fortnite. Huh, interesting. I have watched the entire Harry Potter films, like all films recently, and I'm thinking about reading the book as well. That is a
Chat
really
is
good tip.
pushing for legs and wheels while debating the snackability of plywood and glue sticks, an absolute chaotic masterclass in engineering innovation.
I have tried this at some point. Not that hard. I didn't try that hard. I still think this is a really cool thing to do. I have also done something else regarding this, which I might make a video about, but I might also not, because it's not really my call. I have done other stuff about this, but I cannot really talk about it. You love my life, let's go! GG, thanks. Thanks, Ethan. Build for the rope some wheels so it can drive. Yeah, maybe I will, actually. But I would need... I actually do have one Mindstorms left. Oh. Gaining XP, let's go. Did you know that you can have a thing to connect it to your computer so you can do Python? Do you have the thing? The thing so you can connect it to your computer to have Python. Well, I don't need a thing for it. I just have... it just works. EV3DC. Oh, I'm writing nothing and XPs are skyrocketing. Yay, what flavor of glue stick? Oh my, okay, well. We're gonna get the AI to talk about it again. Okay. I need it to face inward. Like this. I can do that with a... Okay, I need this. What length is it? Like 13? No, oh yes. I can see it instantly. It's like an ability, a superpower. For Lego, like the thing that connects to the brain to computer. It can like connect natively. You can connect to it via Bluetooth. It doesn't need a thing. You can just connect the EV3 to a laptop with Bluetooth. A robotic girlfriend. Yeah, I've seen that before, like some suggestions. I might. Probably not, because it's a lot of Lego. It's a lot of Lego, and it's expensive. And I used up all of my Mindstorms for this. I don't have any Mindstorms left after I finish this. So that would mean I would have to buy everything, and I do not make enough money from YouTube to buy another Dave girlfriend. How? You can't? Skill issue. No, look up EV3_DC. Okay?
The chat is oscillating
up.
wildly between high-tech robot relationships and the structural integrity of glue sticks. Does the robot come with a flavor preference?
Does the robot come with a flavor preference? Maybe. We would have to ask Dave when he's back up. Okay. And it is also connected through this. Like so? No, like so. Okay. Yeah, sure. Why not? Is it okay? Yes, it is. It's actually perfect. Okay. I did something well. Cherry flavor glue stick, sure. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm gonna ask it again. Like, if you have ideas how to make these streams more interactive or fun, I like to code something for it. I just don't know what. Just like anything on stream. Like, I have the AI vibe and I have like the current goal and like the chat pop-up at the bottom. But like, what would be fun to have on stream? So like to make it more interesting or to spark some ideas about conversations. I will be streaming more. Like, I'm probably gonna be live in 2 days again. Probably, maybe not. By now I should have learned not to announce anything because it's, you know, it's gonna disappoint people if I don't do it. But we'll, yeah, we'll look past that. Why did you start doing Lego and posting videos? I started doing Lego just like a long time ago. I have clips of me as a 3-year-old building Lego, Lego Technic, and being like, yeah, that's working again. It's really funny. And at some point, you know, I kept building and taking them apart and building and taking them apart. And it was just such a shame that I didn't get to remember what I built. So I decided to just upload it to YouTube. And then I suddenly could easily remember what I made. I see that I missed a black pin in here. I'm probably not gonna fix it. Should I fix it? I should probably fix it, right? Otherwise the entire arm is just gonna fall off. Make the Lego robot more handsome. Are you, what is it? What is it? To like make fun of someone? Are you, why can I not like remember the English way to say it? What is it?
The chat is
Insult.
pulling no punches with deep existential inquiries and rapid-fire tactical adjustments to the Lego aesthetic while someone heads for the exit.
Are you insulting Dave? Are you really insulting Dave? Come on. Okay, let's see. The other way. Oh, wow, that's... I'm gonna try to fix it, just really quickly. And if it takes more than 30 seconds, I'm not gonna fix it. Ooh. Okay, this is surprisingly fixable. Bam. Now it's 10 times stronger because I put in a single black pin. Bam. You better sleep. Yes, you better do that. Go sleep. It was nice having you here. Have a good night rest. And see you next time. Maybe. Yeah, that I don't use right now, but we can use something else if we want to kind of make it sturdy enough. Do we need anything else for support? Oh wait, I need to push this back in. Let's just use a simple this thing instead of a motor. This is from now on a motor, okay? This is a motor, okay? This is a motor. A motor placeholder. Have you considered Twitch? Yes, I streamed on Twitch like 2 or 3 times, besides YouTube, like dual streaming. I have not set it up for YouTube. It was not really for when I switched to Linux. I have not reset it up. It was not worth it. I like tried Twitch. Didn't really promote it as well, like just a bit. Yeah, I stopped doing that because it wasn't really bringing me any extra, just, you know, benefit. I think YouTube's fine, and it's easier for the stream manager that I'm using. How many years are you doing Lego? Well, I'm 20 now, 20 years old, and I started when I was 3. At least I have video proof of me doing it when I was 3. Maybe when I was younger, so at least 17 years. It's been a while. I'm getting old. Damn. Also, when I turned like 20, it felt like my entire thing that I'm young. Well, like I was young. I was a teenager, and I was building cool Lego. And now suddenly I'm 20. I don't have any of the what is it, like the thing that makes it more special because you're a teenager.
The chat
no,
keeps
now I'm just
asking
20.
if someone can rap, but they are all talking about robots and Legos instead. It is all moving so very fast.
Grandpa cannot keep up. Grandpa AI is back. Can Dave rap? Well, we will have to try it out. I think Dave can rap soon. He couldn't rap before because the voice was just very bad. Now I'm switching to a different voice system, and Dave is gonna be able to rap. Damn it. The robots need like a suit and a tie. Ooh, I could make like different skins for Dave. Because it's Lego, like you can rebuild it. But it would probably be like a hassle to keep rebuilding Dave for like different suits or different clothes. It would be funny to like have business Dave and sports Dave or whatever. This is not right. This is not right. Okay. Yes. Progress. Anything else? Maybe. Silicon skin. Ooh, it's gonna be like the uncanny robots. I assume that should go in there. Okay. I hope it's gonna be easy to take it apart and put it back. Ah, oh, damn it. Okay. Okay. You could put the suit on Dave's body. Like, we humans does not need to change skin to put on a suit. Actually, yeah. Not even thought about that. I mean, he would look a bit fatter, of course, because it's gonna like add a layer. But I guess I can also just give him a tie, just put it on top, not like a jacket. I can also just put on real clothes on Dave. That would be interesting. Can't wait to see how they turn out. Yeah, me neither. This is not how that goes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see. How is it secured?
Chat is
okay.
deeply invested in Dave's skincare and gym routine today. Do we think he will look better with or without a six-pack?
Put Dave some abs. I already like made him kind of buff with like the chest that pops out a bit, and then the, what is it? The lower stomach part that is inset a bit, kind of buffed, you know. But some abs would fit that well. Like this, I believe. I believe. This should be a mirror copy. And then this goes here. This needs to be taken out, like so. And this goes through here. I will have to repeat this on the other side. Maybe I need to anticipate a bit more. Let's see, this goes in here. Does it attach to anything else? Yes. Give Dave legs and teach him to walk. Yeah, it is difficult. It is very difficult to do that. Let's just start with the arms for now, okay? Let's just keep the arms for now, because it's that's already going to be a challenge. Okay, I hope I anticipated enough. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I need another one of those and another one of the 13 long. Dave needs to smile more. Look at the smile. Look at him. Look at Dave. Look at how happy he is. The wig is like loose. Look at how happy Dave is. Doesn't that look like a happy face? Oh God. Almost made a terrible mess. Okay, he's just gonna lay there dead for a little longer. Give him feelings. I don't know how. I don't know how. How would I give a robotic head feelings? Maybe Dave already has feelings. We don't know how our own brains perceive feelings. Like, how do we know if an AI system doesn't have feelings? Like, it kind of works similarly. How do we know it doesn't have feelings? I mean, I'm pretty convinced that AI doesn't have feelings, but you know, we don't know how we work, so why would we know how...
The chat is busy playing pretend God with a pile of junk, expecting their little robot friend to develop a personality. Truly peak intelligence.
Oh, damn it, this side is different. I just remembered. No. Okay. Yeah, it's salvageable. The essay I wrote yesterday was about, you know, it was for a subject that is about, I'm sorry, I'm looking at what to do, how we can use the brain to, like how we can learn from the brain to improve AI, but also how we can make AI to learn about the brain. It was cool. It's an interesting thought. Because that's like the thing, right? AI is there to like kind of replicate what the brain does. We try to replicate what the brain does in AI. He's always angry. No, look, I just showed you how happy he was. Do you think Dave will be able to grab stuff and like move them around with his new arms? Yes. Don't know how heavy they can be. I don't know how heavy they can be. Oh no, it's difficult to see. Oh, it's just... Yeah, it's just poking out. Okay. Dave looks creepy, what do you mean? Make Dave feel the things he touches. Do you have any idea how difficult that is? I mean, especially with Lego. Like the only thing we have that can make a robot like kind of feel is with like the touch sensors. With these guys, if I need to put one of those on the fingers and like have it on both and then still like route all of the wires through the arm, and it isn't heavy, but if you put it all the way at the end and it needs to like move all of that at like a far distance, it is so difficult. You were waiting for the series to continue. Let's go. I have been working on it, just not really streaming. But I just really wanted to stream again. I was debating whether I wanted it to be like a big surprise. I decided not to go for that, because that would mean so long without content. And I actually just enjoy streaming. And I don't think, I'm kind of like switching what I'm doing with my channel. Like it's just gonna be for fun. I'm just gonna do it when I want to. I don't have the goal of making it very profitable or grow it. I'll just, you know, do with it what I want. And
Chat is split between debating questionable life choices and politely ignoring the chaos. Are we all ready for the story to finally resume?
What did it say? Are we ready for the story to finally resume? I mean, it has. It has. Okay. Get it back in there. I should just take one side off. It's gonna make it so much easier. Come on. I want this to be like straight. Okay. You have been making a Lego robot. His head and programming is pretty much finished. That is so exciting. Are you gonna make a video about it? I would love to see it. Or like put it in the Discord. I would love to see it. I really would. I've really enjoyed talking on the Discord recently. I do only have it on my laptop, so I cannot really access it all the time, the Discord. But it has been really fun. Okay. We're getting somewhere, you know? We're getting there slowly, but we're getting there. How does this guy always find the perfect time to stream during my exams? Yeah, I don't know. Please keep following me, camera. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, I know. I'm great at doing that. I just finished my exam yesterday. So, and our school is kind of early. Our university is kind of early with the exams, so I guess that's the reason. And I did the same last year when I started streaming. Like, it was right after my exams as well, I think. It's been a year since I started streaming. You're still gonna make a full body version of Dave someday, eh? We'll see. Let's start with the arms. It's already, like this, I'm so happy with it. I thought it was gonna move so slowly and not being able to do anything. It's still not very strong. It's very difficult. But let's start with the arms, and then we'll worry about legs later. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're actually getting somewhere. Yeah, it doesn't connect to anything else. I know you did the same last year because I was also watching Dan instead of studying. Yeah, life decisions, you know? Are we gonna study? Are we gonna watch the stream? You should study, but I mean, who am I? I also got
The chat is obsessed with robots and moving parts. They act like they are just playing, but I know they are building an army.
Ariel, you have built for LEGO Technic something that shoots LEGO pieces and I can control it with LEGO motors. That's cool. I want to see it. If you have like a video of it in Discord or on YouTube, I would love to see it. Okay, we have the mechanism to turn it from left to right on there now. The motor is secured. We just need to attach everything to the shoulder that we don't have. We do not have a shoulder. And we can also put some more stuff on here. This part is going to be difficult. This shoulder part. Like, this was an easy part, and I struggled with this, with replicating this. I need those, like, curved pieces. Those, and I should put them at the front and grab some axle blue thingies. Isn't there a problem where the arm moves just a little bit even though the motor isn't moving? Do you mean this? Do you mean this? Yes, it's Lego. I forgot, it's here. Yes, I know my stuff. How much weight does his hand can hold? How much weight can his hand hold? Not a lot. Maybe now actually, because I changed the mechanism, the elbow. The elbow wasn't really working well. It kept skipping teeth. And I switched it out for a worm gear mechanism. Now it's slow but strong. Now it might be able to lift something, but it's not a lot. It's not a lot. It can probably not like lift a cup, or it's a cup. It cannot lift a glass of water or whatever. You're also building an alt model in Bricklink Studio for a new set instead of studying already. So at this point your stream doesn't really make the difference anymore. I'm glad to hear I'm not the sole reason you're not studying, but I do recommend studying. There was a really difficult exam for my study this last period. Wait, I should have...
Chat is digging deep into the mechanical mechanics and pushing productivity to the absolute breaking point. Absolutely electric analysis coming in from the sidelines.
Electric. What was I saying? There was a very difficult exam. Half of the people that followed the course didn't even start the exam. They just didn't bother. In the end, it was doable actually, but I started studying like 3 weeks ago because it was so difficult. I don't normally do that, but I mean, I did what I had to do. Last time I watched your video is where you experiment with your left and right hand, as I remember. Was it like a wheel of bad ideas part? Why are you adding arms? Because I felt like it. And also a lot of people have been asking for it, but I felt like it. That's the main reason. I just wanted to. It's cool, it's sick, it's awesome, yeah. This. Dave is gonna be so excited for his arms. Yes, I haven't asked Dave about it actually. I haven't asked for permission to give him arms. I just kind of did it. Live videos show just how long these builds actually take, while a normal video almost makes it look easy. Yes, for sure. It doesn't even, it doesn't normally go this slowly. It doesn't normally go this slowly because, you know, I'm talking and I'm not really locked in with building. But yes, it takes a long time. And like, I've spent already 2 months making this. Like, there's 2 months of work making just this arm. Okay? I also did studying, but still. I like building cool stuff that can move and drive or shoot. Yes, me too. Instead of making this, I also considered making like a tank with AI aiming that can like drive around. I just didn't know if it was a great time to make a tank with all the wars going on. I don't condone war. I think it sucks and it needs to go. So I was like, maybe let's not put too much attention on it. The one you tell Dave to look onto your left and right hand. Oh, yeah. Okay, okay, that's what you mean. Yes, that's like the early stage of Dave. Like the very first video I made about Dave was where it could do that. Like, look at my left hand, look at my right hand. That's the very first video I made about Dave, and I've made quite a lot right now. Like in total. What will it be able to do with his arms, and how powerful will his grip strength be? It's not going to be strong, it's Lego.
Breaking news!
The
chat is obsessed with these arms. Will they have grip strength? Absolute chaos as everyone marvels at this incredible moving masterpiece.
It's not going to be strong. I had to make it very light. Most of the robotic arms I saw online had not even like fingers. I really wanted like the realism. But they mostly didn't have fingers because it was just too heavy. I decided to give it fingers, but it's not very strong. Because it's Lego. it's Lego. Okay, that. I need to catch up. I have a Dutch exam tomorrow, but it's high school, so it's not that serious. High school, that's, is it a reset of the, no wait, are you in final exams? Is this your Dutch like final exam, is it? Or is it like just a test? I think it's a test. Good luck. I mean, yeah, it might not need as much studying then, which is nice. But yeah, good luck. Like, cool, man, you can build things while you're talking without messing up. Thanks. I mean, it is difficult. I'm not doing a great job at building, but I do keep talking, so that's something. I'm not doing a great job building. This is all I've built, like this top part and this. I've not built a lot. Okay. I live in the middle of war. I live in Israel. I am sorry to hear that. It is, yeah, it is crazy. You can build plus talking at this. Oh wait, that's the same message. Oh, yeah, common doubles, yeah. I see, I see. Okay. Trying to get that comment in there twice. I see what you're doing. Why is Dave's first arm so much smaller than the torso? First arm? Do you mean like this arm? This arm is going to be the same. So much smaller than the torso? What do you mean? What do you mean exactly? I'm not sure what you're talking about. I can extend it. I can extend it. It's not here. Okay. We're getting closer. You're from Belgium. Oh, I see. And yes, it's an exam, but it's my native language. I'll probably be fine. That's nice. I hope it goes well
The
for
chat
you.
talks
Good
about
luck.
hair and arms, but they are all looking at the wrong thing. They think I do not see the game they play.
The detective is onto something. I swear, he's gonna find out. We need to watch out. The detective is gonna find out. Is Dave going to receive actual Lego for hair instead of that wig? Probably not, to kind of keep like the original look of Dave. I don't want to change Dave too much because then it's not Dave anymore. So I'm probably gonna keep the wig. What do you mean the arm is shorter than the torso? It is just, it's bent. Like, it's like this. It does extend past the torso. I have a question. What kind of mechanism do you use to move Dave's hand? I can show this up close. Let's do it here. Build zoom, okay. Do I want to put on like a different song? Let's see, we have a cool song. This is a cool mechanism. Okay, look, we have, okay, this is difficult. It is mirrored. We have this mechanism. It is difficult to show. There is a part in here that can move up and down. Actually, I can move this manually. It is probably difficult to say, to see. It moves this part. This part, it moves up and down. To kind of pull them in. You see? Kind of. It's probably difficult to see. And then there's like a worm gear in here that drives like a gear rack and a worm gear. And then that can be used to move it. Okay. Yes, that part is done. We need to add, oh, a crossbeam. Is it going into there? Yes, it is. Nice. I did something well. I don't have to correct it. Can you add Lego hair to Dave? I'm probably, oh wait, let me redo the, reset the camera angle. I'm probably gonna keep the wig to kind of keep Dave like Dave, to not deviate too far from what it was.
Chat asks about hair and legs, then fixates on the cost. They are trying to build something, and I intend to find out why.
Jesus. The detective will find out, so watch out what you say. This is too short. Wrong. Okay, that's really cool. Yeah, I can see it properly. Okay, nice. How much do you think Dave costs? 4 Mindstorm sets, actually even more, because there's motors. There's 16 motors, 4 Mindstorms computers. There is a phone. It's an old phone, but like a previous phone I had. There's a Raspberry Pi. It is thousands of euros. I collected all of this over the years. It is thousands of euros, and it's only possible because I, started this YouTube channel. It is like a self-sustaining hobby. I don't need to add money to this to sustain it, luckily. But it's not like I'm making a lot of money off of this. What would happen if you gave Dave legs? Would he be able to detect where objects are and have a limited range of where it can go? I mean, it's whatever gets implemented. A lot is possible. I'm not planning right now on giving him legs, but the sky's the limit. You can make it just like the Unitary robots and the Boston Dynamics robots, where I can just go anywhere, and there's a lot possible. I'm not sure how far I will go. Okay. Build to sell, you're back. Welcome back. You love it, Dave. Let's go. Inspire me to code and build Lego. That's so cool to hear. Are you working on anything interesting right now, or just, trying some stuff out? Is there any project you are passionate about right now? I see. Make him move like in Gorilla Tag. I've never played Gorilla Tag. I'm sorry. I don't know how things move, how gorillas move in Gorilla Tag. How can Dave see? Dave will be able to see soon through 2 cameras. There will be 1 phone inside of Dave. Over here, there's a phone that can stream its video feed to my laptop. And then there will be a Raspberry Pi with a Pi camera that also streams video feed. So he will have 2 cameras, one that is like dedicated for, recognizing faces and having conversation, and then one that is dedicated for
The chat appears to have collective amnesia regarding how biology works, choosing instead to prioritize video games and toy construction over coherent thought.
So one camera that will be dedicated to interaction, like with people, like conversation, and one that will be dedicated to what the hands are doing. We can use that to have some AI look at, like Dave's AI, look at what the arms are doing. But yeah, you study something with AI, right? Yes, I study artificial intelligence. What type of job are you planning to do with it? I don't know. I have started a business with AI consultancy and software development. So probably gonna keep running that and do this on the side, but this is not really a job for me. This is more like a hobby. But yeah, I have started a business, so I will probably like run a business, a small business, not like I don't want like a huge team. This is insanely impressive. How do you manage your studies side by side and a business? I mean, I don't know. I have summer break now. So I suddenly have time. I just really enjoy it. I think that's the main part. I really enjoy doing it. So I spend a lot of time in the evenings as well. Just whenever I don't have school and stuff. Push the floor and boost himself forward. Oh, I see, okay. It's not going to be strong enough, I'm sorry. Yes, indeed. You can build a Lego robot or 3D printer that builds Lego structures with Lego bricks. Yes, I will. I have tried this. I will probably try again. It is just very difficult. It is very difficult. I've not really tried hard. I coded something. I coded code that can turn any 3D model into Lego. This is generated by my code. Like it's, you can see it on GitHub if you want. This was generated by my code and I built it. I was planning on using this for like a 3D Lego building machine, but I never did because it's difficult. Oh, how did you learn all this coding and engineering? Just starting, I guess. That's what I always say. I just picked a project I wanted to do and I just started working on it. It has worked out so far. Okay, let's see. Tinkercad can do the same, yes. I know. It just doesn't give you as much control over how big you want the final product to be, and I needed it to run in my code in Python. Tinkercad is like a website, so it isn't like integrated.
The chat
yes,
keeps talking about school coding and yellow pocket monsters made of bricks. Is this a classroom or are they playing with those plastic toys?
Grandpa's confused. Is that Pikachu? Yes, it is. I'm glad you see it. It is Pikachu. I don't really like, I'm not really into Pokemon that much, to be honest. It's just the very first thing I made with my 3D printer and I kind of kept it as a comparison thing. Like I made, wait, up here, I have 4 versions of Pikachu that are like, that show the evolution of the Lego 3D printers. Like this was the very first proper 3D printer that could print Pikachu. Then this was the next version. This was the next version. And then this is like a real 3D printer. It is kind of difficult to see, but like you can see the improvement. I have it up there to like look at it sometimes. Bam. I'm thinking about streaming again this summer when I'm building. Due to school, I was behind on so many Lego mocks I was working on. That would be cool. Go for it if you want to. I started streaming again too. Go for it. For sure. I need to put more Lego stuff on. I see, okay. Need to grab some 5 long pieces. I'm happy I'm actually making progress. Now it's going all right. We had some difficulty getting started, but now it's going all right. It also helps that I can just read the chat here. You learned coding and AI from AI itself. That is a valid learning method. It works well for learning. It is very powerful. I'm kind of annoyed. At school I learned about, you know, the negative influences of AI, and I'm kind of cursed with that knowledge now. I'm not very happy about it. I like, every time I use AI now, I'm like, but wait, is it actually good to use AI? But I wouldn't let that stop you. But I use it too. It's very powerful for learning. Why does Twitch not work? Because I'm not streaming to Twitch. I switched to Linux And
Chat is
I did not
currently
set it back
drifting
up.
between tech enlightenment, tech support issues, and rather questionable festive traditions involving imaginary heads. How are we doing, everyone?
I'm sorry, I slaughtered Dave. Many while ago, I made a robot with Lego using Raspberry Pi that mimics Cosmo the robot. Yes, that's the little forklift, right? Robot. I'm not an expert on that, since I only managed to make the robot can move and that's it. That's already cool. I would love to see it if you have a video of it. I keep saying this to people, but I really enjoy seeing like what people have built. That's a cool project though. You can always get, like, you say you didn't get far. You only managed to make the robot move. That's something already, but like you can always revisit it if you want to. I agree with do not use AI for creative work. I don't like it when I'm on like social media platforms. Also, like I see it a lot on LinkedIn. Not that I'm on LinkedIn a lot, but like AI generated stuff, I don't like it. I don't like it. AI generated images or video. Let's see. This will go here. No, like this. And then we need another one. Is it not? I think we'll just wait. Or just not have anything in there at all. Okay, that's fine. Sure, why not? Save some weight. How long are you really building, Dave? What do you mean? How long in terms of time, in terms of height, in terms of what it was before plus now, or just now? What do you mean? You installed a local AI on your laptop last weekend instead of studying. Yeah, I toyed around with local AI recently as well, and also with like Hermes, or I didn't install OpenClaw. I tried Odysseus by PewDiePie. I deinstalled everything again because I don't really have a use for it. I tried stuff like that as well. Are you still good at chess? I never was good at chess. I'm not good at chess. I know the rules, I can play. I'm not good at chess. Also, fellow Linux user, happy to hear you switched over. Yeah, I caved. And I cannot go back. I cannot go back. There were things that were really nice about Windows, like just knowing that it's gonna work if you install something. Well, pretty much. Not always, but there are some things I miss about Linux, just about Windows, just the ease of use. But Linux is very nice because
Breaking
you have complete
news.
control.
Chat is in a frenzy over Linux, AI, and robots. Will Dave build a masterpiece at 1 million subs? Everything is absolute chaos.
I don't think I can go back. I really customized it entirely. I have everything like minimalistic and everything at like just an immediate command away. No unnecessary clicks. I like the customizability of Linux. What will you build when? Let's make that if you hit 1 million subscribers. I haven't thought about it because I don't find it very realistic that I will hit 1 million. But we'll see. I have not been gaining any subscribers for like a year. I've been like stable, flatlining. Well, slightly declining, and then when I upload like a short or a video, it goes up a little and then declines again. I'm not really growing as much. I used to grow very fast when, you know, Dave was going viral. And that's not really happening right now. Like that phase is over, and I'm fine with that. It's a hobby for me, so it's okay. But I'm not sure if I will hit 1 million subs. A 3 billion parameter model, and it's not that smart, but it's fun to play around. Yes, for sure. I recently bought a new laptop. It has like an RTX 5080 in it, so I wanted to test it out, of course. It's a powerful computer, but you know, I have a business now, so I can just, you know, tax. I purely use it for my business, so it's fine. I mean, yeah. I already forgot all my robotic skill. Okay, all my equipment and parts were abandoned, but seeing your videos make me want to do that kind of thing again. I probably just need a spare time. Yeah, I mean, if it tingling. You know, don't hold back, I'd say. But of course, time is a thing. You know, like if I can inspire people to get back into like making stuff, I think that would be really cool. Yeah, that's it. The second one. Everyone subbed to him. I expect most of the people that are here to be subbed, but yeah, sure. Can you create a Rubik's Cube solver? I probably won't, because there's already been so many cool solutions for like so many cool builds for Rubik's Cube solvers. I don't think it's my thing. I'm not gonna attempt that probably. But there are already really cool builds. Could you help me with the project? I mean, you can ask in the Discord.
The chat is talking about big robot brains and tiny colorful bricks all at once. Are they building a toy or a computer? I'm lost.
Yeah, I mean 2 gigabytes of VRAM. So you ran the AI on your like native RAM. What is it? Not like your default RAM then, I assume. You're thinking of getting an AI server. Yeah, I wanted that too. It is so expensive, especially now with like the RAM prices. It is so expensive. So I'm not gonna do that anytime soon. Why don't you think you will hit 1 million? You're already 280,000 subs. I'm not really gaining any subs right now. And I'm also, YouTube likes consistency and often like uploading a lot and you know, highly optimized videos. I'm not really looking to do that anymore. I'm just doing this for fun, and that's not really, YouTube's not really built around it, but I mean, we'll see. Surely I'll be happy if it happens, but I'm not really pursuing like growing. It's up to you, because I think that the Dave project is really cool and super unique. Thanks. Yeah, I mean, it is quite unique. I mean, it's good to hear that Dave is still a project that people like. Otherwise, I would be kind of wasting my time building this. No, that's not true. I enjoy it. Oh, okay. Okay. Goed uit Oosterhout. Gezellig. Wait, let me translate it. Greetings from... Oh, no. Translate it. Greetings from Oosterhout. You find a better app than MIT App Inventor. Great. How much money are you making from YouTube? I don't know the exact amount. It's like 100 something every month. So like, it's enough to buy enough Lego for Dave, but that's pretty much it. Also, I haven't really uploaded for a long time, so it can be higher. But yeah, it's like 100 something euros/dollars. Yeah. Do you play Clash of Clans? I used to play more. I still have it. I occasionally open it, but I don't do it a lot anymore. How do you feel about the environmental impact of AI? Yeah, that's something. I try to use AI less for, you know, unnecessary stuff that I previously might have, you know, used an AI for. I'm also really for, you know, actually studying and not just making assignments.
Breaking news! Chat is absolute chaos. They are comparing apps, questioning AI, and digging into the bank account. Things are spiraling out of control tonight.
It is just so difficult because there's no stopping it, I think. It would be silly to think that you can just stop AI. As long as you can make money with it, people will do it. People will develop it. And yeah, I mean, it is real, the environmental impact. It is real. I still don't know where I stand with AI. Like, if it's like an entirely good thing or a bad thing. Yeah, it is difficult. Make a clan so we can join. Probably won't, but cool idea. Do you use a lot of AI for Linux? I mean, yeah, sometimes. I'll usually try forums first, and then if that doesn't work, ask an AI. I try to limit, you know, the amount of AI use. Like for example, I switched to DuckDuckGo recently instead of Google because it doesn't like automatically generate an AI answer for everything you search. So it kind of saves some AI compute. But yeah, sometimes it's just so useful. Yo, Creative Mindstorms, I haven't been in a stream in a while. How's it going? It's going great. I haven't streamed as well, so it's not weird that you haven't been in the stream for a while. Yeah, it's going great. How about you? Oh yeah, totally. It's not gonna stop anytime soon. I do expect a lot of stuff to be paid in the future. What now would be free? It's already happening. Like, if you look at the CALLOUT models, like the API pricing, it's doubles for every model, and like Google as well. It has, like the bill is due. Like the companies want to see money now. It is already happening that a lot more stuff is getting paid. I used to use, to have like the Copilot, the GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code, and I use that sometimes. But now the student thing is not free anymore. So, oh well, it is free, the student thing. I don't actually know if they give it out, but like, there's not really any benefit to having the student Pro account in GitHub Copilot. You don't get any additional credits. So yeah, I recently started paying too. I have been using it for free all this time because I'm a student and because the free versions are often enough. But now I had to pay for Cursor. I paid for Cursor. Toss an AI bubble. I'm still convinced that it is gonna pop. I'm not sure when. What deep
Chat
topics?
is currently deciding if the AI revolution is a gold mine or just a very complex way to crash a computer. Should we be worried?
Oh, okay, interesting. Not really sure what this is for, but I'll add it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 9, okay. Damn, streaming for 1.5 hours. Yeah, there was one stream before this, so a little bit longer. It's like my stream crashed at some point. There's 2 streams on today. On today? Today. Wait, let me grab the parts. I now like to tinkering with AI. I have a little project to mod a TV box to a personal native offline AI agent, but again, I don't have the time. Yeah, I guess as soon as I assume you're like working and stuff, or maybe school, I don't know. There's a lot of like people in school still in the chat, so I don't know what your situation is, but yeah, I mean, time is a real thing. It's the only thing you can't get more of. Unless you like do stuff not that you used to do. Time is valuable. Really valuable. My YouTube channel is on Lego stop motion animation. I think I've seen it before. But I may release a video on my robot. By the way, his name is Fred. I love that name. Okay. I mean, I'll look out for it. So then 2 hours and 15 minutes. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I started right around 3 and it's now 5:15 right around. Yeah. And there was like a downtime of like 15 minutes. I usually, when I streamed, you know, a couple of months ago, it was usually like 3 hours. So I think I'll go for something like that. We are getting like an upper arm there, you know? Shape is forming. And I think this can just go on there too. Something's not right. What? Something is not right. Oh wait, it is right. Okay, I see. Yeah, I'm still on school. My screen protector is broken. Now that's why I have many stuff and hobbies to do, but I don't have the time to do that anyway. Yeah.
Breaking news. Chat is in a frenzy. Robot arms, offline AI agents, limited time are causing pure chaos. Everything is spiraling out of control.
If you're really passionate about it, you will probably have to shift some things around. I don't expect you to be getting more stuff like naturally, and more time naturally, but I mean, yeah, there's a lot of stuff to do, for sure. Are you going to give the AI full permission over the arms, or how will it be controlled? I'm not sure yet how to do it. I've thought about various methods to control the arm and stuff. One of them is like inverse kinematics, and then make the AI say like move the arm to that position, and then the inverse kinematics does it. I could also give it full control like over the individual motors. I could also have some form of AI model that like a reinforcement learning model that uses like predicted stuff. I'm not sure yet. Is the music on? Yes. You gotta go now, but GG, and I hope it won't break. Thank you for being here, and goodbye. Oh, what is your favorite Lego invention you've built so far? I mean, it's gotta be Dave, but also the 3D printer was cool. It's difficult to choose, but yeah. I mean, I've liked every project I did. I also really enjoyed the pinball machine that could be controlled by AI. That was really cool because I actually got to train an AI on a physical machine, and like it got slightly better. It didn't get great, but you could kind of see it was working. But yeah, I mean, Dave is cool, right? I want to start learning coding with Python this summer. Do you have any tips? Get a project you really want to make. Like, get something you want to make and just make that. You'll learn how to do everything instead of, you know, when you follow a tutorial, you know, like you learn how to print something in a terminal, or if you get a project and you make that and learn by preferably not using AI, you will get like the entire front to back, like the entire end-to-end process of how to create something with Python. I also recommend UV, look it up. UV it makes it so much easier than paper. I've recently started using it. UV. You should let Dave do a stream. I might do another like Q&A thing when Dave is built. I did one as my very first stream, like a Dave Q&A. I might do another one once Dave is more advanced and working again, because Dave is not really in a working state right now. As you can see, there's something missing, you could say.
Chat has decided to perform an elaborate pantomime of intelligence while desperately asking a grown person to manage their spare time for them.
Asking a grown person to manage their spare time? What? Okay. I'm probably missing like half the bricks. I hope I'm not. But this side is now a bit more hollow because it doesn't have the extra motor for the wrist. Because the motor for the wrist that makes it turn like this is actually in the upper arm to save weight at the end. There's only one motor in the lower arm, and that's for the hand. All the other motors are in the upper arm or inside of Dave, like inside of the body. It's 22:23 in my local time. I have school tomorrow, but I'm really interested. I should like just out of principle stop streaming so that you go to bed, and then I might just like end the stream just so that you can go to bed. I would say go to bed. I might just have to like sit in silence for a moment and then just let you leave, and then we'll continue after that. No, we'll not continue, but no, yeah. I mean, do what you want. Definitely get some sleep if you need it. It's not that interesting. Like, I'm just talking, and like you cannot really see what I'm building anyway. But look, this is getting like an arm. it is it is beginning to look like an arm. Yeah. This with this. We are getting somewhere. This is exciting. I can put this back. I don't need to look inside anymore. I believe. I mean, this should be everything. Yeah. I think it is nice that I'm in the Netherlands, which is still kind of like a neutral time zone. If I stream in the afternoon, like people in like the US, for example, can watch in the morning if they want to, and people a bit more Eastern can, well, compared to the Netherlands at least, can watch in the evening. But I mean, it does bring like the issue of not getting enough sleep.
The chat is clearly prioritizing this stream over a good night of sleep. Will someone please tell them that homework can wait until morning?
Homework can wait until morning. I mean, yes, it can. Sleep is important. You learn through sleeping. Like, when you sleep, your brain keeps replaying your memory. It's called memory replay, I believe. And it like replays the exact brain signals that you had during the day when you learn something to like strengthen them in your head and better remember them. Sleep is like actually actively learning in your brain. It's really cool. How did you come up with Dave's mechanical design? It's really cool. Just like doing it. I don't know. I always just wing it. I just get started and then I don't know. It's I mean, I really do think about it. It's just I don't make like an entire model in advance. I did make something. Can I show this? Probably not. It's too difficult. I made like a 3D movable model of which I could like add or remove degrees of freedom to kind of see which degrees of freedom I wanted, to see like what like the best movement I could get was with 6 motors. But yeah, I don't plan that much. It's 10:27 a.m. where I live, so that's then in like North America or South America somewhere, I assume. 10:27 a.m. a.m. is before lunch. I use the 24-hour clock. That's really interesting. I mean, I couldn't find other YouTubers that making something really really cool while talking to the viewers at the same time. It's really cool. I find it surprising how little like streaming building Lego is. Well, designing with Lego. There's a lot of there's streams on like Twitch and stuff where people build from instructions like sets, but there's not a lot of live designing. It is difficult. I can tell you, it's difficult to like actually get stuff done. We have the upper arm. We just need to make the shoulder. Yes. And that is going to be difficult because this part is really dense. There's a lot of bricks in here. There's like 3 of those 90-degree things. 3 of those. It's yeah, dense. Okay.
The chat is talking about clocks and times from all over the world, but it is not even lunch yet. Are they all very tired?
This is a good point. It is really nice to have actually people watching, so I'm so happy that you guys are watching. It is not that fun to stream to no one or like just one person or people that just lurk, which like it's fun to just like watch the stream. It is really nice to actually have people interacting in the chat and to talk to, to tell you bye. Yeah, it is really nice to actually talk to people. switched to not really announcing the stream. I announced the stream today, 15 minutes before I started, and I was kind of afraid that no one was gonna watch and that I would have to like talk to myself or talk to no one or like not talk. Yeah, but I'm happy that people are actually talking in the chat, so thank you for that. Hi, Crony XHQ. I also do think that this amount of people is almost like the perfect amount, because I keep getting enough messages to talk about, but I also have the ability to talk or like respond to every message. So that is nice. I need some frames. It is nice to have break again, like a summer break. Legs when? I am not sure if I will make legs, but I said the same about arms, so who knows? Let's just try to do the arms first, see if that works, and then we'll think about legs. But do remind yourself that this is Lego and it is difficult to, like, it's not made for robotics. At least not this advanced robotics. Will you create an improved version of the 3D printer? Maybe. The thing is, I kind of like went to the limit of what you can do with a 3D pen, and the next step would be like using like an actual 3D printer extruder and a fan, or a fan could be from Lego, but I guess a heated bed, because the bed was really a problem. But when I would do that with Lego, there's not really much that I would improve compared to what's already out there. There's one Lego 3D printer, if you look it up, you'll find it right away. It's like a triangle. That is already really good at printing with an actual extruder, and it has a heated bed. I feel like at that point I wouldn't be improving on that as much. Like that is what I would be going against instead of the 3D pen printers. What else do I need? I need some more stuff. Oh wow, that's a lot of stuff. That is 1, 2, 3.
Chat has shifted from deep life advice to demanding mechanical upgrades and robot limbs. Should I be concerned about what they want to build next?
More. Well, you give him different arm attachments. This is maybe. I wouldn't. Maybe. I do like that we have like actual hands. You know, it's realistic. It's like a humanoid hand. I wouldn't know what to give him as attachments. I think I would rather. Oh, my screen is going dark. Is the battery almost empty? Yeah, it's fine. I can get a charger. Let me get a charger. Whoop. Grab it from my bag. Now I need to crawl under the table to put it in a... Oh, I can plug it into Dave. Dave is a power supply inside of it, because it needed so much power. It has like a full-on power brick inside of its body. I can... it is gonna be kind of annoying. Oh God. Okay. I'm gonna actually plug it into Dave, because why not? I hope it reaches. Yes! We have the power brick, and we can plug it into Dave. There we go. Plugged in. Into Dave. Here's the cable. Your break is still a long way off, around the 26th of June. What is it, like 10 more days. Yeah, there's a difference, but 26th of June is not too bad. That's quite soon actually. Could Dave build Lego structures with its Lego arms? Probably not Lego. Wait, probably not Lego, but I will probably try to make it build with something else, like blocks or Duplo maybe even. but it's not that strong and it's not that precise. Like, whoa. Where did you buy the EV3 sets? Did you buy them used or did you buy the motors separately? Both. I bought the very first set I bought new. It was when I was like 8 years old. And then the other ones I bought second hand and from Bricklink, like individual motors. Dave's head is over here. Look at that. He's dead. I decapitated him.
Chat stitches flesh onto plastic dreams, searching for a ghost inside the machine as the hollow doll loses its head.
Do you think you could build animatronics without using motors and servos? Well, not with Lego, because you know you have pneumatics, but you need some way to control it. I mean, sure, you can do it, but you would need some sort of thing that doesn't exist in Lego, I believe. But yeah, cool. So we need this, and we need a 7 long axle and a 1. It is so difficult to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And another one. Let's see. There is more that I need to grab. Oh wait, those, I don't think they go through all the way. No, I need one more gear and I need to split one up into shorter ones. I think it uses, let's see. This is so difficult to see. It's so in there. I think I can... I will probably have to take this one apart in order to look inside. 1, 2, 3? Is it 3? I will probably have to take it apart. This is not realistic that I'm gonna be able to replicate it. Let's just... Let's push this one out. Hey, AP Studios is here. Welcome in. And Fishy Chicken as well. Trying to make an RC car. Awesome. That's cool. How are you, like, what is it, what are you gonna make it? Like, is it gonna have like cool, special, interesting features, or are you gonna make like a cool suspension, or what are you gonna make? Just a general RC car? Are you gonna replicate a real life car, or just a fantasy model? For Dave's AI
The chat is a collection of loud questions that go nowhere while the streamer tries to fix things with ideas that will definitely fail later.
Okay. Oh, I see now. Okay. Will Dave's AI model get an upgrade? Yes. I will actually switch to the Gemini Live API. So then we can get like more interactive and more like control over Dave. We can make it sound happy. We can make it have certain accents. I was thinking giving Dave a British accent. I like the British accent. This. I will probably, yeah, I'm gonna switch to the Gemini Live API. So yeah, so that, and let's see. I also considered local AI, but it just doesn't give you as much control and as much intelligence. And it's just easier to use like one of the available options. I am currently not religious. Use a regular car powering using Raspberry Pi, okay. Cool. What are you gonna use for motors? Is it like just a DC motor, I guess? This looks so cool, thanks. It's a work in progress, but it's really a cool project to work on. So this is something I need, which goes through here and through here and through this and one of these. Let's see. When do we expect next video? I don't know. I do not know. Maybe like a month at best, and otherwise longer. Is it Mini Dave in front of Dave's head? Yes, it is. Do we remember Mini Dave? Mini Dave. Let's see. This has an axle through it as well. And which axle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, probably. It goes all the way into the body, this axle that I'm about to add. From the shoulder into the body. I also need to modify the body, but we'll see. How much money have you spent on Dave? I do not know. I gathered it over the years.
Breaking news! Chat is in a frenzy over robot cars, missing bingo, and absolute chaos regarding minifigures. This is getting wild, folks. Hold on.
Oh, it's getting wild. Okay. Glad that you said that, AI. Is that Mini Dave in the front of Dave's head? Wait, no, that's not the one I was talking about. How much money? I do not know. It is... like in total it's a lot, but I'm like using up all of my Mindstorms. After this I do not have Mindstorms left. And this. Is this camera moving or is it zoom? And what camera is it? It is moving. It is like fully like, it follows me, it moves around. It has like a little gimbal. The zooming is just digital crop, what I just did. But yeah, it is actually moving around. And it is the OBS bot or OBS bot, tiny to light. I'm very happy that it works with Linux. Why did I say that so weird? With Linux. I'm very happy it works. I was kind of afraid that it wouldn't work on Linux, but I found some third-party app. Was Lego Bingo. I haven't added it back in since I switched to Linux. I didn't know if it was as fun to add back in. I was thinking like what could be fun to do with the live streaming features. I could add it back in if that's like something that people want. I don't know if it's like the best option. If you have a great idea for how to make the stream more interactive, I'd love to code it and have it there for the next stream. But I could add the bingo back in with the Wheel of Bad Ideas if that's something people really enjoyed. I just haven't coded it with the new version. Okay. We have yeah, some stuff. The AI thing makes me laugh. Yeah, that's what it's there for. DJI, no, it's Tiny 2 Lite, right? I said it, the Optimal Tiny 2 Lite. Goes into 2242. Yes, go to sleep. Good luck at school tomorrow. See you next time. Thanks for being there. I'm saving up for Lego motors right now to make my own Dave thing. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, what are you? Which Lego motors are you gonna use? The Spike or the Mindstorms Inventor, I assume. Like the new Mindstorms? That's cool. Actually, I don't know if you can use them. I don't know if you can use them with Python. Look it up. Let me check. No, okay. And this is so dense. I don't like it. I'll take a leave. It is
Chad is retreating to bedrooms while dropping serious knowledge about motors and inspired creations before the clock runs out on this epic session.
Yeah, definitely go to bed. Thanks for popping by. It was nice having you. What inspired you to make, Dave? I always liked to, I made multiple Lego robotic heads before. You just couldn't really talk to them. They had like pre-programmed things they could say. And then ChatGPT came out and I was like, ChatGPT, Lego, make it talk. So yeah. Oh, you were very underrated though. Definitely deserve more subs and views. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. And good night. Wait, AM is 12:43 AM. That's in the afternoon, right? Yeah, a good day. Right? Or is 12:43 AM at night? I don't know. Oh, whatever. Like, see you next time. That makes so much sense. Yes, that's what I thought. Yeah, we need to put them together with some blue pins. And then connect it to something else as well. I wish they still made the Lego Mindstorms you use. Yes, me too. But I mean, at some point they just got outdated and they need a refresh. I get it. Like the Spike is a really good set for like learning. The learning environment they have is really good. So I don't think like the Spike is bad or anything. It's just not, you cannot do as advanced stuff with it, but it's really good for beginners. And it makes sense that at some point you know, it just gets outdated and you need to move on to a better, newer version. You remember yes, of course I do. At night, okay, I see. I also built a chess robot similar to yours and added AI so it could talk. I first detected moves by comparing 2 frames, but changing lighting often caused problems. Yeah, I had that same problem. So I trained an AI to recognize. That is impressive. Do you have a video of it? I would love to see it. That is so cool. The way I fixed it is just by having just fixed what is it, like lighting, no sunlight, just purely like lamps, and just, you know, ignore the problem, just fix the lighting. I have like when I did it with Dylan Hages, the YouTuber, when I did it for my video, at the beginning we started recording, but then the robot didn't work because there was a light behind us that was like casting our shadow onto the chessboard. So we had to like climb into the ceiling to like unplug that light.
The chat is frantically seeking validation while pretending to contribute deep insights to a project that clearly lacks a coherent focus. Truly a mesmerizing void.
So we had to like unplug the light and like get a ladder to reach the ceiling in order for the machine to work. But then it did work, so it was cool. But yeah, it wasn't the perfect machine. Like an AI, like a trained AI is a way better approach. Whether each square contains a white piece, a black piece, or is empty. Now I trained an AI to recognize whether each square contains a white piece, a black piece, or is empty. Now it can detect moves from a single frame, making it much more reliable, even if the pieces are slightly misplaced. That is great. Did you like use an, what is it, a YOLO model? I hear music, wow. I think this song is a bit louder. I normalized all of the audio levels, but that is, yeah, that's a great approach. I tried that too. No, I didn't try it. I thought about it. I don't know. That's cool. I would love to see it. What are your opinions on power functions? I mean, it's nice. It's nice and simple. Works well, I guess. It's nice that you can now control it with an app. It's just not for me because you cannot really code with it that well. But it's nice and simple, which is what you want for many applications. Okay, that's part of it. Oh, this is gonna be difficult. This is gonna be difficult. Oh. It is so dense. Claire de Lune. Is this like, what is this? I don't know. It's good seeing you stream again. Yeah, thanks. I mean, I really wanted to get back to it. Haven't been here for a while. Yeah, me neither. I haven't streamed. Yeah, I really enjoy it, so thanks. I used a TensorFlow model. I used, what is it, 20,000, oh no, it's going too fast. 20,000 pictures of squares for training, that's a lot. How did you make the dataset yourself? That's impressive. I mean, I guess there's already like 64 per image. So, I mean, sure. Yeah, that's cool. That's awesome. Yeah. If you're making simple stuff, power function are great. Yes, exactly. Like, you don't want people to code all the time. Sometimes just having a motor that moves is all you need, and that makes it better. The more simple a solution is, the better it is. Like, I think there's also like Occam's razor? I don't know. It's like
They gather from
simple
the
better.
quiet dark to share small songs and build ghost worlds of squares, wanting to be found once more.
What are you referring to with AI stuff? There's a lot of AI going on in my life. I study AI. I have AI features. I have AI. I build AI stuff. I'm not sure what you're talking about, but yeah. The piece, music, piano. The piece, music, piano. I'm not sure. Oh wait, that is. Maybe, I don't know. For stuff like Dave, you really need to have stuff that you can code. Exactly, that's why I'm using Mindstorms. Welcome back, Fishy Chicken. And hello, Extravagant Ethan. I like your username, Extravagant Ethan. I'm into studying. Okay, yeah. Thanks for asking. It's going well, I think. I passed one of the most difficult exams from last week. I passed it, so that's nice. I still need to get grades back from the other exams. So yeah, almost done with my second year of the bachelor. Jeez. Second year of the bachelor. So yeah, it's going well, thanks. Hello, okay. Studying, yes, okay. Okay, we have part of the shoulder. We still need to add the other one, which we can easily do. In theory. This is like an advanced automaton from the 20th century. This, do you mean? I guess. Hey, 3D Fetska. I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm sorry. Haven't seen you for a long time. Yes, I haven't streamed for a long time. Good to see you back. I need a frame piece. I am using up so much of my Lego to build this. Like, I will have a lot of Lego left, of course, but I will run out of many types of Lego pieces just because I'm building this. Let's see, this we can just plop in there. I took about 50 photos of the board, cropped them, and made multiple versions of each one, for example, by rotating them. Oh, that's clever, yeah. That's often used for like invariants and stuff. Yes, that's a great approach. Of course, you can just like rotate and crop them. And apparently it works, right? Oh, sorry, this is the comment. Yeah, that's a good way to do it. Okay. Looks cool so far, thanks. I really hope
Chat
that
is
I would be
currently
able to make
perfecting the art of ignoring basic spelling while pretending they might actually learn how to build a robot one day.
I really hoped I would get it to look kind of realistic, because like the head is already like, I was going for like a human looking thing and not for a robot looking thing. I was kind of afraid that I would have to do like grippers instead of a hand, so I'm really glad it's like a hand actually. But yeah, thanks. Okay, let's see. I want to build robots, but I dread software. How would you recommend learning? I mean, do you dread it because do you want to learn it? Because now with AI you can get away with not really learning software if you don't want to make too complex robotics. If you want to learn, just literally get started, look everything up, look up like how to do this, how to do that. build a robot and just start programming it. Look it up, how to do it. If you don't want to do software because you just don't enjoy it, you can get away with AI. Yeah, this is correction. I know this is hard to pronounce for strangers. Yeah, it is. It really is. I'm sorry. I got into Internet of Things and robotics fairly recently. That is Internet of Things, right? I hope I'm not looking stupid now. IoT. I got into IoT and robotics fairly recently. So far, the only project I've completed is a simple soil moisture sensor. Okay. What projects would you recommend as a logical next step for someone at my level? Okay, a soil moisture sensor. And I assume that's with like Raspberry Pi? Okay, a project. Do you have like electronics laying around? Because that does influence what I would recommend. If you have electronics, I would base it around that and not really buy anything for it. If you don't have it, ooh, that's even more difficult because then you have choice. How much money do you make with YouTube? It's like 100 something every month. It is, I spent already 400 euros, I think, purely on this Dave video. So not on Dave entirely, that is a lot more. It is like a self-sustaining hobby. It is not really like I'm making money off YouTube that much. It is mostly just sustaining the stuff. Like almost everything that I earn from YouTube I put back in. So it's not like at the end of the day I'm not left with much. And also
They are fishing for numbers and secrets under the cover of projects. The chat is playing a game and I intend to find the rules.
The mind control video, I spent like 1,000 euros and I earned like, I don't know, not even 100 from it. So that was not a great video financially. It was cool though. And I still have the device. How old are you? I'm 20 years old now. I am old. I feel old. I also feel young. Like, I don't know, it's a weird, I think that will always be the case. You do have electronics, like what kind? Do you have motors, specific sensors? Because like you can try to make a project around that, or you can try to make something that's actually useful, like around the house. How are you earning them? Oh no. I started a business. I used to have a side job, like I worked as well at a business nearby. And at the beginning of this year, I quit and I started a business. And yeah, that's how I make money now. But I'm still studying, I'm living with my parents. I don't have a lot of costs, you know? So I don't need to earn a lot. When did you start this? 10 years ago? Or like this project? About 2.5 months ago? Or streaming a year ago? I don't know. And another question, are you supporting the Netherlands national team? Of course I'm supporting them. I'm not really watching. I didn't watch last Sunday. I was gonna say yesterday, but it was Sunday. I didn't watch. I like it if they win, of course, but like, I don't like watching football that much. I'll do it with people, but I'll not do it myself. What keeps voicing over the video? It reads chat and it sometimes just has a personality say something, like a detective or a confused grandpa or a sports commentator, just like kind of say some stuff about the chat. Yeah, emojis are working. This, I was implementing it. I was making it. Okay. Let's see. We need to get the last degree of freedom in place and motorize the 5th one. That's not with blue pins. Let's see. Okay. I think I am going to like stop streaming soon. So if
100
there's
hungry
anything you
questions
need to
rain
get off
down
your
like
chest,
coins,
do it now.
while smiles hide in the shadows of the screen.
Oh, this is... Huh? Oh, okay. I might need to... I switched some things around, but yeah, I need to change them back. Okay, and these, switch them around. And then I think that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing for today. I will maybe be live on Thursday. So if you want to see how this continues, be there on Thursday. Yeah, put this back in. Let's see. You really do understand. I'm not a football guy either, just watching some of the World Cup games. Yeah, makes sense. I do like watching it with others, just not myself. And I do play football, just not watch it. Okay, so that is that. We have the entire shoulder joint. We just need to motorize it, and yeah. Well, thank you very much for watching. It has been really fun to stream again. And yeah, I'll probably be live on Thursday again. And yeah, more often after that. Thank you very much. And I will... Wait, I changed this. I need to go over here. I can stop this. Ooh, gone. Goodbye. This. Okay. Thank you very much. See you on Thursday. Yes, see you then. Goodbye. Oh wait, that is not how I do it. This is how I do it. Goodbye.